So we continue to work on the recall, as I said, as a very important priority area. We also say that, and we knew that this is hard work that we need to do. We're making the progress at 99% of the remediation, and we keep focused on working very closely and collaboratively with all the regulators around the world. On that note, we were also happy to see that we can return to sleep in other parts of the world where we got the clearance to get back into the market. Next to that, as you have seen from our results, we are very clearly focusing on also improving our bottom line, the profitability, and also the cash that we are getting into the company. Because compared to last year, where we had a very strong and depressed profitability, we now are doubling the profitability so that we can ensure that moving forward, we have the funds to invest in the exciting innovation that healthcare needs. Because healthcare is under continuous pressure. There are massive shortages in labor, massive pressure on funds, and we need to step forward with our technology as well to help them to deliver better productivity.
Roy, very good morning to you, sir. I think there's two Philips at the moment, and you and I and Karen have discussed this previously. The one that's blighted by the respirators, and then there's the rest of the business, which is going forward, and obviously you're very excited about, such as diagnostics up 14% on comparable sales. But I want to just pull on some comments that you made, and I've just been on your website, in fact, I'm still on your website, looking at the comparable sales figures. Comparable order intake, 9% lower than the third quarter 2022. And if we park respirators somewhere else for the moment, you say here it was mainly due to a high comparison base related to the exceptional high levels of 2021, lower orders in China and longer lead times. It's the latter 2 points that I'd like you to drill into if you could. What's going on in China? Because many of us out there are very worried about the headline level of growth not reflecting the economic reality for companies such as yourself, sir.
Yeah, China is a very important part also for Philips. Actually, on a positive note, we celebrated 100 years in China for Philips last week. So we have been there for long, and we have also seen different cycles. Now, currently, as you've seen, the economy is a bit depressed, more than we were expecting, and that actually is also showing in the results. But if you look to the prospects of China going forward, actually there is a very strong market out there that still needs to be served. 1.3 billion of people that need healthcare, that are short of having the right access to care, and there the innovations really that we have do matter. It was important that we localized our portfolio because they're changing the rules of the game so that you really need to be local in preserving and serving also them with products that are innovated, made and delivered in China. We have made sure that 90% of our portfolio actually can do so as we speak. And that's also why we expect China to come back stronger in near future. But for the moment, indeed, China is having a tough time, but we see the prospects for the future very bright. I will go there soon in a few weeks also to discuss how we can ensure that we keep supporting the hospitals on the ground, but also the consumers that we are serving, because also there we saw some improvement, not yet fully there, but we expect them to come stronger back into 2024.
Hi, I'm Joanna Bersecci, and thank you for watching. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thank you for watching.